Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 170. This was a Thursday, 16 February 2023. So I started the day with exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 6-minute jog, and then I worked on books. Then I did a little bit of solar business. Then I had an insurance seminar that I attended and worked on a little bit of insurance business, and that was basically it for day 170. So it was a busy day. Um, I did a lot with insurance, and I'm signing up for a new program, a new kind of lead system. So I'm very hopeful for that, and also worked on some solar business. So things are moving right along. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments, questions, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you again